Welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to review two major web hosting services I believe are the best for beginners. So we are looking at Bluehost and Five Cloud Host. So these are the two major web hosting services. In my opinion, I think they are the best for beginners. Probably if you're a beginner and you are broke and you don't have a lot of money to spend on web hosting, these two hosting services are the services I recommend because they are cheap to get started with and it will not cost you much. So except you choose to go through the free web hosting route like using medium.com, Blogger, and wordpress.com. If those are not your preferences and you want to go with self-hosted website, these are the two major web hosting services. In my opinion, I believe will provide you with the best services and best experience you will ever need. So, and also have two major bonuses I'll give to you if you choose to get these web hosting services today, because my bonuses are only for those who are very serious about starting their own online journey. So I just enjoy you to stick to the end so that you get to discover what my bonuses are. But before we continue, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. This is my channel. Chibuna Okechukwu is my name. So go to my channel, hit the subscribe button so that you get notified of my future videos. So let's dive into the video. So the first web hosting service I'm going to review is Bluehost. So Bluehost is a web hosting service that is also owned by the same company that owns HostGator. So if you know about HostGator, the same company that owns HostGator owns Bluehost as well. So with Bluehost, you get a free domain name for the first year. So for your first year, you get a free domain name with Bluehost. Then you also get a free SSL certificate and you get a one-click WordPress installed, and you also get a 24-hour support with Bluehost, and it starts at just $2.95. That is how Bluehost operates. So check the links in the description. The links in the description will take you to this website, so you basically read through. So if you are going with the shared hosting, which of course most bloggers goes with, this is what you get to pay for the shared web hosting. So if you click on this link, you should be able to arrive at a page that looks like this. So on this page, you get to see everything about Bluehost. So this is how it looks like. So if you choose to go with the basic plan, so these are the three major plans. They have basic, plus, and choice plus. So if you are just starting out, my recommendation is to go with the basic, except probably you have plans of adding on more websites in the future. So just go with the plus if that is what you tend to do in the future. But if you just want to test out the waters, so go with the basic plan. So you just select the basic plan and you get to land on a page that looks like this. So you put in your domain name. If you don't have, you can put in your domain. You can choose any domain name. Let's say we want to go with askchibuna.com. So you hit the next button so as to see how the sign up process actually looks like. So that is Bluehost for you. So when you hit the next button, this is what it will come up with. If the domain is available, it will tell you that the domain is available. If the domain is not available, it will also tell you that the domain is not available. So you put in your first name, your last name, your business name is optional, choose your country, choose your address, and fill in all these things. Now let me remind you, the $2.95 is only available if you are going for 36 months duration. If it's just for 12 months duration, it will go for $4.95. So please take note of that. If you are going for 36 months, that is when you get it for $2.95. For 12 months, it's $4.95. For 24 months, which is like 2 years, it is $3.95. So take note of that. So choose whichever package you want to go with, whichever one. So take away privacy, take away this one, take away site lock. You just need the basic hosting, which is okay. Then put in your credit card information, click to agree with their terms and conditions and submit, and you are done with Bluehost. That is that with Bluehost. So the next hosting service I will also review is 5cloud In fact, 5cloud is a web hosting service that offer you 5 years of blazing fast web hosting at a fraction of what you pay your current hosting for just 1 year only. So with 5cloud, you get to pay just $67 for 5 years. So $67 for 5 years, you get to host your website. That is what 5cloud hosting charges. So if you want your server to be hosted in the United States, you leave it this way. If you want to choose European server, just switch on this to Europe and to go to European server. If you want United States server, that is, you toggle on this button here, either Europe or USA. So these are the packages for 5cloud hosting. $67 for 5 years. It will only allow you to host one domain. For 10 domains, it is $117 for 5 years. And for unlimited domain, it's just $167 for 5 years. So if we do a rough calculation, so if we go for 67 divided by 5, so for just 1 year, you get to pay $13.04 for just 1 year. You get to pay $13.04 with 5cloud hosting. The links are in the description below. And with 5cloud hosting, these are all you get: daily backup, free SSL, unlimited bandwidth, unlimited email, unlimited subdomain. So just check the link in the description below, come here and read through what 5cloud hosting has. Another thing I must quick to inform you about is that with 5cloud hosting, there are no hidden charges. So if after the 5 years of your hosting service, it will renew for the same amount you bought it for. So there is no hidden package, there is no hidden services, there is no hidden charges with 5cloud hosting. So check the links in the description below and you will come to this page, read through, and if it's something that you want to do, so just click any of the package and it will take you to the next step of the process where you start your hosting experience. So that is how 5cloud hosting is. So I did promise to give you two major bonuses, and here are my bonuses. If you order any of these hosting services through the links in the description below, just shoot me a message. I also leave a link to this page where you can contact me. Just shoot me a message, put in your payment receipt here, put in your purchase receipt here. When you put in your purchase receipt here, tell me that you bought hosting through my link, either Bluehost or 5cloud host, and I'll send you this theme. Is a premium theme. GeneratePress is a premium theme you can use on your blog, and it sells for $49.95. So in addition to that, I also send you WP Rocket. WP Rocket is a WordPress catchy plugin. It will help to speed up your website and make your website very fast and load very fast. So it sells for $49. I'll give you these two plugins, this theme and this plugin, for free for purchasing through the links in the description below. So that is all I have for you. So either you choose to go with 5cloud hosts or Bluehost, whichever one you choose to go with. They are the best, they are the cheapest you can get out there, unlike probably high-end web hosting services like WP Engine, SiteGround, and the rest. So that is that for this video. Don't forget to claim your bonuses. Don't forget to claim your bonuses. I will leave some videos up in the screen below. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment on this video. I want to hear your thoughts on this video. Thank you very much.